How often do we pause to consider the profound impact that human rights and democratic principles have on governance? In places like Zimbabwe, the struggle to maintain these rights is not just a matter of policy, but of survival. In the heart of Zimbabwe, members of parliament face significant trials. These legislators, elected to represent the will of the people, find themselves under severe pressure from government crackdowns. These aren't just challenges, they are direct threats to the very fabric of democracy. The Inter-Parliamentary Union, a global organization known for its commitment to upholding parliamentary democracy, has recently stepped into the fray. Martin Chungong, the Secretary General of the IPU, has been vocal about his support for these MPs. From the organization's headquarters in Geneva, Chungong expressed a robust defiance against the unprocedural recalls and persecution that these lawmakers are enduring. Chungong's message was clear and resonant. He pledged to stand with the embattled members of parliament, promising to fight alongside them to restore justice and protect their rights. This isn't just about offering moral support. It's about actively engaging in the struggle for justice and democratic integrity. The challenges in Zimbabwe are a stark reminder of the fragile nature of human rights. The situation underscores the necessity for global vigilance and support in times of governmental overreach. It highlights how crucial international bodies like the Inter-Parliamentary Union are in the fight against undemocratic practices. In conclusion, the ongoing situation in Zimbabwe presents a critical moment for global advocacy and intervention. The commitment of the Inter-Parliamentary Union to support Zimbabwe's MPs is not just commendable, it's essential. As the world watches, the call for justice grows louder, echoing across borders and reminding us all of the relentless pursuit of democratic principles and human rights.